your echo.
Okay. No idea why my headset's not showing up.
No telling.
It's
The
worked
echo
perfectly
seems
every
to
other
have
time, just
subsided.
today. Sorry?
The echo seems to have subsided, I think. Well, no, I guess not.
In that case, I might just mute myself and hand over to Ron and get it going while I get this audio sorted out.
Okay, well, I guess I'll start with my side of the equation.
Go for it. I'll mute myself.
All right, switch over. Okay, everyone see my screen, hear me fine. I should have no echo, except for an occasional dog barking in the background. And I'm just going to take you through a quick run through on our version of the memory game, which is a WordPress memory game. And essentially, we basically built this so that it integrates seamlessly with our Contest Ninja and our Ninja Notifier or Birthday Notifier plugin, so that once people play the game, you can add them to your notifier list, and they would be able to you'd be able to contact them in future for future marketing efforts on behalf of your customers. So essentially, the process of playing the game is essentially the same. Let me just flip that over real quick. When somebody gets to the game the first time, they're going to see that message with the rules and whatever the prizes are, if you have prizes. And then they just go through the process of playing the game as if they were on the memory game that you guys are used to. And I didn't pay attention as to where these things were, so I might take an extra second or two to go through and clear it, or get lucky like that one. I think I set myself a long enough timeout so I don't time out. But once the game gets to the end, you get to this piece. And at this piece, for people to actually enter the contest, they would click on this link, and that will take them into the contest itself. And I'm already on the list, so it's going to redirect me back to the game. And now, or I guess yeah. So I'm in the game, and here shows my total score points, what time it took me to do it, what my current ranking is, and I have one entry in the game. So if I want to get additional entries into the game, then I would share this either on Facebook or share this unique link that is my contest link. And I'm just going to share this link with everybody in the group, and you guys can then play the game from here. So there you go. Send this to all, and you guys can see the game and try the game out. But as time goes over, more people will get added to this list and to this list inside a Ninja Notifier. And then this leaderboard will fill up. And essentially, we've set it up so that within, oops, I'm on the wrong page here. Hang on a second here. Sorry for that. We got logged out. Okay, so inside of the memory game, inside of Memorable Ninja, which is the WordPress memory game, here is the game itself. And you would be able to upload your images in a similar process to how you currently use it. Every single one of our images has a specific size requirement. So if you click on this, it'll pop you into and show you that the size requirement is 200 by 200. If you upload more than one, it'll automatically do random images. And for the people that actually have played the game, you'd be able to open up this report and see who's played the game and how many points they have and how many referrals they've sent over. So with our plugin, you can actually reward people with a prize based on what their total point score is, or based on how many referrals, how many new customers or new people they've sent into the game. And then optionally, you can also go into the Ninja Notifier and pull that specific list, which is the list for the Ninja Gamification list in this case. So we can go into the Ninja Gamification list in Ninja Notifier, and in here we'd be able to select a winner at random from all the people that have played that game. So we'd be able to go, for instance, obviously this is a demo, so no one's going to get a prize, but we might give a prize at the end of the entire call. So we'd be able to just go ahead and hit pick a winner, and it'll go through and find the winners that were randomly selected from all the people that played the game, or that were on that specific list within Ninja Notifier. So if you're using either Ninja Notifier or Birthday Notifier, this is an easy way for you to take people that are playing your game, add them to a notifier list, and then use that notifier list to market on behalf of your customer on an ongoing basis, whether that's sending out a weekly special for that particular restaurant, or the if it's maybe it's a supermarket, the catch of the day if they're in the near the seashore or so. So there's a wide variety of ways that you can use Ninja Notifier combined with the Memorable Ninja or the WordPress memory plugin. And you can see here, let's see if any new people have added. Yes, so we've had one new person get added to the game here. So Eric was obviously paying a lot more attention than either myself or Alexa, and we used Alexa's referral link to give to Eric. So now she has one person that she's referred into the game and now is associated with that brand. So the Cake Lady is getting exposure as a result of Alexa and Eric. And as he starts playing the game and sharing the link, he'll start getting referrals, etc. So we have, I think, a previous game that we had played here as our demo. And this one had quite a few people actually playing the game, but no one shared this game. Let's see what else we have here. I think we have another demo here. And this one had, no, that was just an internal demo. I guess we must have played it on a different one of our domains. But that's essentially how the WordPress version of the plugin works. Essentially, the WordPress plugin works so that there are two different versions, or actually three different versions of the Memorable Ninja, depending on which license you buy, and it all depends on how many games you're able to set up. So if you get the business version of the game, that allows for 5 games to be set up, and that's obviously at a lower price than our marketer or the agency version. And the agency version goes all the way up to 250 simultaneous games that you're able to run on behalf of your customers out there. So let's see if David is back on the call. You back, David? So we have one question from
Still trying to sort
Tony.
the issues out.
Are you back, Tony? Sorry,
Still trying to sort
David.
these audio issues out. I'll hopefully get it done in the next couple of minutes.
Okay, no problem. So Tony asked the question whether or not we're going to be able to apply this to other games that come down the road in the future. We're taking basically a pragmatic approach to which games we're going to apply this to. We are not going to be rolling out a standalone WordPress plugin that includes the Ninja Notifier and the Contest Ninja to every game that David is releasing, because bottom line, a lot of the games do not make sense for our customers, our clients. We have several hundred small business customers, and things like the quiz game. We already have a quiz type game out there, so we're not going to reinvent the wheel and roll that one out. Additionally, things like Sudoku, um, from purely a business standpoint, um, our interest in the games is not to give our customers a way for their customers to play a game, but more importantly, have a way for our customers to give their customers a way to engage with the brand. So if it's a game that is not going to help that our customer get their customers to engage with their brand, like say a Sudoku game or something along those lines, we're probably not going to be rolling that out as a plugin. Now that said, if there's enough demand from our Ninja Web Tools customers to build out a plugin, and we have enough demand to justify the cost of building out that plugin, then we'll definitely give it some additional consideration. And what we'll probably do is we'll put a place online where people can, if you will, pre-order the plugin, and if we get enough people to pre-order the plugin, we'll build the plugin. It's really purely a sense of economics. If we don't have enough people to, justify the cost, obviously we're not going to build it. So, any other questions while we're waiting on David? Anyone else have a question about Memorable Ninja, about the WordPress integration with Ninja Notifier or Birthday Notifier? Well, I guess everyone's just waiting on you, David. Yeah, okay, that's good. Okay, so good question there, Ken. So if you're running Memorable Ninja, it does need to be on the exact same domain as Ninja Notifier or Birthday Notifier. And the reason is these two plugins talk to each other. They're used in the exact same database. So what we're doing in the back end is we're making sure that your customers or people playing the game cannot bypass the system and try to get into the system when they shouldn't be on the able to get in there. So it does need to be on the same domain. So um, on the agency version of Memorable Ninja, that allows you to have 250 different memory games at the same time. So you'd be able to set that up for 250 different customers or 250 different campaigns you're running at the same time. I hope that clears that up. I'm going to send a link out here to after David's through and give you a special discount on buying the Memorable Ninja and the Ninja Notifier or Birthday Notifier. And if you're really strapped for cash, we will give everybody that doesn't have a Ninja Notifier or Birthday Notifier a 2-app version so you can get started and with the Memorable Ninja with Memory Ninja. So anyway, David, you back?
I'm back on. You got me now?
Yeah, we got you now.
Cool.
And no echo that I can tell so far. So switch the screen over to you.
Yep. Okay. All right. So actually, hang on. Just trying to find. It's in chat. I can't see the chat questions either for some reason. Or it's in that one. No. How weird! I can't see the chat. Anyway, so does anyone have any other questions about what Ron's gone through, how it's different from just plugging it straight back into a normal Ninja Notifier program, the way that it was basically done in the demos and on the sales page?
Yeah, I'm not seeing that question. So
Okay, cool. I haven't seen the other questions either, so I'm not sure if I'm missing out.
no, I've got the questions all handled. So you just show off your plugin and your process.
Yep. Okay. So let's go to Max. I have got the world's slowest internet connection today, just to go over all the other big issues. It's not even loading. There you go. Oh, sorry guys, I've got crap internet connection right now.
Are you using 2 tin cans?
Sorry?
Are you using 2 tin cans to connect to the internet?
It must be. I don't know what's going on. This is the new internet provider for mobile, so they're not handling the GoToWebinar plus anything else very well at all.
All right.
I might just give it a few minutes to load. Do you want to give the guys a bit of a teaser for the?
Yeah, I can flash up. I can flash up. Okay, so we have. So I'm gonna throw up a couple of discount links. We have. We originally promoted the Memorable Ninja. Oh, there you go. You're flashing up. Should be only another half hour and it'll load.
Oh, yeah.
So I have the a discount link for you guys to buy the Memorable Ninja. We did have that on special a week or so ago, and the we didn't really get as much sales as we wanted from Dave's group. So Dave and I pulled this webinar together, and we're going to offer this back to you guys again at a significant discount. Tony asks, is it's called the notifier because it notifies everybody about the stats of where people are at? No, actually, what the Ninja Notifier allows you to do, and I'll go into that in a brief second after Dave finishes. I'll show what WordPress memory game does with the Ninja Notifier in just a moment. Go ahead, Dave.
Okay. Loading page.
Oh, I thought you were loaded.
Yeah, no, the bit underneath where the plugin is actually coming up still. Game still loading. Yeah, this is ridiculous.
Okay, so I'll flip back over to my screen real quick, and oh, there you are. I'll go back into my screen. Let me know when you're all ready over there on that side, Dave.
Okay, yep, back to you.
Yeah, okay. So in the memory, WP memory game, this integrates. I'm going to just go into the back end so you can see this. So it may maybe make a little bit more sense of how Ninja Notifier integrates with the contest and everything. I'll just show that entire process. So inside the back end of the memory game, once you've selected how many pairs you are going to choose, it's fixed. You can't change it. That prevents people from having lopsided scores in the back end. But in the back end, we have a couple of unique features. One is we have a video that you saw pop up, and that is a video that you use to encourage people to send their friends in to play the game. And we also integrate seamlessly with Facebook built into the software. So if you have your own SSL certificate, then you'll use this link. It's all described in the members area. And if you don't have your own SSL certificate, no problem. We will let you use our bypass SSL server for that. But here's the Ninja Notifier link. So if you were to go just to this link itself, this is a link within the Ninja gamification app in Ninja Notifier. And I'll open that up so you kind of see that. Inside of Ninja Notifier, inside the Ninja gamification app, here are the people that are connected to that app and have played the game. So it basically identifies all the people that have played the game. And with Ninja Notifier, if I wanted to send a message out to all the people on that list, I could just click on this send red alert and then pull that particular list and send a message out to those people. And that message would show up in Facebook. Similar to how Dave's been sending his messages out in the notifier. This is a message that we sent out to all the people subscribed to our Ninja Webinars list, and this is what David's using for sending out his notifications to you guys for his messages. So he uses Ninja Notifier, it sends a message out to everybody on the list. And the way we've integrated it in with the game is if you have, say for instance, we went back here and we picked a winner from that particular memory game, and we select that winner. Here's the list we're using. Once I click on select winner and I were to hit this notify button, it'll open up a new screen and I would be able to send this person a message saying, hey, if this was a real contest, you would have won our contest. And then give them a link to go to any page I want on the internet for them to go claim the prize or fill out information so we get additional information from them. Now this integrates, like I said, seamlessly with our Contest Ninja plugin. And Contest Ninja is a separate plugin, but we have a wide variety of contests we have run for our clients. This is a contest we ran for, the contest is over, so I can't show it to you, but I can actually open that up real quick. But we were doing a contest for, I believe, a Broncos shirt or something to that effect. So if I just change this to a more current date and save the page, we should be able to take a look at this contest. And I need to open an incognito window so that it will not recognize me as somebody already in the contest. Oh, this one is just a dummy contest. But essentially, in the Contest Ninja, you'd go in, you put a video in here of how people can play the contest. They press the enter contest button. They get connected into Ninja Notifier. In this case, I'd have to log in to Facebook. Excuse me. And once they are connected through Facebook, the Ninja Notifier takes over, and I guess it must have disconnected that contest. So normally Ninja Notifier would take over and send me back to the second page of the contest. Let me see if I have any contests that are still live. This one we had not too long ago. I can edit this one and make it live again. So a lot of you guys played the big contest that we set up for David, and that was one where let me get March. So when you go in through a normal contest on Ninja Notifier, you'll enter the contest, you log into Facebook, and then you'll get redirected back to the contest so that you can pick up additional prizes. Now, this one doesn't have a leaderboard. The leaderboard right now only exists in the in a Memorable Ninja, but we'll be adding a leaderboard back into the contest itself at a later date. So that's how that works. And inside of Ninja Notifier, basically it lets you send red alerts to people via notifications, and those can be sent now or they can also be scheduled for a later date. Hope that answers your question there. Yes, you can put any video you want inside the contest or inside the Memorable Ninja. So I'm not understanding your question, Tony, about take them to game 1, game 2, game 3, etc. No, you don't have to pick a winner right at the time. We have one of the guys on the call. Jody, do you want to come on for a brief second and explain what you're doing for your contest? Let me see if he's still here. Who else is on here that has a contest running? Let me see what. Just a second. Let me see what's going on with David. Okay, so it looks like David's not going to be able to join us today since his internet connection crapped out altogether. So we'll wrap up this call here in a few minutes. I'm going to give everybody a quick overview of our new product, which is called Ninja QPN. And what Ninja QPN allows you to do is essentially run online mobile marketing campaigns for your customers. So let me show that off real quick, and then I'm gonna we'll wrap up the call. We'll give you guys a link to the discounted pages for you can buy the 2 products we're giving off today as a discount. So there we go. Let me see if there's anything in the chat. Yeah. All right. All right. Let me get my iPhone fired up, and I will show you Ninja QPN. All right. So there's my iPhone. I'm going to go ahead and fire up the web browser if it's still handy. Nope. Let's go ahead and do it this way. And go and grab my so Ninja QPN is our mobile marketing tool set for Facebook and Ninja Notifier. And essentially, you would use Ninja QPN to upload an image that would be shared on Facebook for your customers. And you would basically give them, you could put a QR code out there, or you could give your customers a link that they would share with their customers. And so let's say I received this or I wanted to claim this discount. I can click on share. And the first process is I have to share the, hang on a second here. One brief second here. My computer must be Mercury in retrograde or something like that. All right. So the first thing I would do is have my share coupon that I have to do. And I would share this coupon on Facebook. And now that I've shared it on Facebook, I'm going to redirect it to the place where I claim the discount coupon. And the process of claiming the discount coupon is connecting through either Ninja Notifier or Birthday Notifier, which puts you on the Ninja Notifier list for this particular client. And then it redirects you back to the discount coupon. So I'm going to go ahead and press that button. And now it's redirecting me through Ninja Notifier to the place that I can actually get the physical coupon. So this is how our Ninja QPN works. And I decided we're going to go ahead and give you guys the opportunity to buy this at a discount as well today. We just launched this product on Monday. So we actually have just a small handful of people that have already gotten this. But I'm going to actually, since we have, let's see if we have, how many people played our game for the Memory Ninja tonight? Let's take a look at that. Let me go in here. Let me go and see our game. See how many people played. If we have more than a handful of people, I'll probably give away a prize tonight. Now, it looks like we only have 2 people that played. So I guess kind of hard to give a prize away with no one playing the game. So I'll give you guys a few minutes to go play the game. Let's see, it's 7:38 right now. If you guys want to win a prize, I'll give away a business license for Ninja QPN if we get more than, how many people we got on the call? We got 14 people on the call. So let's say if we get 7 people, half of you guys, to play the game and get on this list, we will give away a copy of Ninja QPN to one lucky person. So I'm going to put in here in this, I'm going to send you guys also out the links to both the discount code for the Memory Ninja, or the Memorable Ninja. I keep confusing the name here. So this is our WP memory game, and it's called Memorable Ninja. I'm going to put a discount code link in here. You guys play the game anyway in the interim, and send that out to all of you guys. And then I'm going to also send you guys a discount link to our Ninja QPN, and put that in here. So you guys should have, you guys should have received the links. You guys get both your links, because I think I hit one of the wrong buttons. Someone can just pop in here and tell me really quickly. Yeah, there's a discount for everybody. So if you guys play the game, we're gonna pull a drawing from the people that are on the call, because there are some people on that original list that are not on the call. So if you're on the call and you play the game, we're going to pick one random person that shows up on that list, and they will get a copy of Ninja QPN Basic. Now, if you've already won Ninja QPN, which there are 2 of you guys, I think, on the call that have already won it, then you will. Let me send you the. I don't know why your game's not loading there, because there are people playing that game. We have, we have a whole bunch of people playing the game so far. So, Dan, if the game's not loading for you, it might be your browser, computer, internet connection. Like, you maybe have the same internet provider as Dave Driscoll. Who knows? So, back to my rules. If you have already won Ninja QPN from us, we appreciate your previous contest or thing, but you're not going to get another copy. So there's only so far one person on this list that won't get a copy if he actually ends up being the winner. And I'm going to give it about 2 more minutes, because I have another webinar to go speak on. So I need to wrap this one up. And let's refresh this page. All right, we'll give it till any other questions while I'm waiting for my timer to expire here. Okay, so Ken wants to know, is the number of times oh, okay. So Ken, you're talking about Ninja QPN. So actually, that's all dependent on the customer. So with respect to Ninja QPN, basically the premise behind our plugin here is we want our customers to first go in, and let me reset that up here. We want our customers. Let me see here. So essentially, we want our customers to be able to first go in and share with their we want our customers to be able to share with their friends, to get as many people to recognize this business. That's the whole process of the share function. Now, as far as whether a person can go back to a business 27 times or however many times with the same coupon, that's up to the business. Each business will put on their own coupon. If you see on this particular one we did, this is the coupon for the business, and they have their own little terms on here. So it says 1 coupon per transaction, yada, yada, yada. So, you just want to make sure your businesses set up their coupons as to what is best for them in any given single situation. But you can see it's pretty easy, responsive, and it will allow them to even go responsive mode. So it's a pretty easy to use plugin for the for anything you want to do mobilely, as far as advertising your coupons. So, all right, so I'm gonna give it. It's 7:44. At 7:45, I am calling it, and we're gonna go ahead and pull one winner to get a copy of Ninja QPN Business Edition, and then we'll go from there. Yep. See, I got my other conference call going on here in a minute. So I'm oh, that's on the phone. Hey, hate that when that happens. Okay, so now our going to go ahead and pull. How many people we have? We have 12 people. Let's go to Ninja Notifier, and we are going to pull it live. This is not Memorex. And if you're watching the replay, well, then I guess you should have been on the live call. But let's pull a winner. And you're not a winner unless I tell you you're a winner. But let's pull a winner here. We're going to pull one person. And you have to be on this list in addition to being picked on this thing. So, that's one of our Ninja guys. So he doesn't count. So let's pick another one. And he's probably not on the call. Or he probably didn't fill out this list. So let's see where we go. No. Okay, so draw again. Okay. Jody is not on this list either. He was on the call earlier, but he left. So you snooze, you lose. All right. Michael Tay, is he on this call? Let's see what we got here. Oh, I'm not going to refresh this page anymore. Yeah, okay. So he's not on the call anymore. Dan Cooper. All right, Dan, it's a good thing you kept trying until you got through. All right, so Dan, you have won. Pop in a question real quick. So, you have a question there real quick. So I'm going to send you the link to go claim this. You're going to send an email to our support team so that they can get you all squared away. It's not going to probably happen until tomorrow because we have another webinar to do in about 10 minutes. So there you go. We're all squared away. There is no there is no QPN Pro. There is the marketer version and the agency version, and that's the only things we're giving a discount on right now. There is a business license which will be coming out soon, but there's not going to be a discount on that. We're not going to ever be discounting things below our $97 price point. So that said, this is the prize is the business edition. There is no basic edition. Let me see. There's no me's. Let me see if there's anything. All right, I got another order to go to. So no, we're not picking by points because if we pick by points, that's not how I originally decided we were going to do it. So I could have picked that earlier, but we didn't pick it that way. So besides which, there's two people that had the exact same point total, and I was giving away one prize. And the only way to do a one prize fairly is to use the built-in system within Ninja Notifier. So that's all the time I have for you guys. I will have a replay up as soon as possible. I'm sorry that Dave Driscoll couldn't join us to show off the differences of how he does his game, but there you go. The discounts for both Ninja Notifier and the discounts for Memorable Ninja and Ninja QPN expire tomorrow night. So we're just giving enough time for people that were not on this call to watch the replay and pick it up. And it'll be shutting down at, I think, 11 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So grab it and pop into the Facebook group. Our Facebook group is, let me see, Ninja Web Tools. And if you guys want to join us over in the Facebook group, that'd be great. There's a lot of people that are already on this call that have our plugins, and we appreciate your time. Have a great night. We'll see you on the flip side. Take care now.